Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to change the backlight timeout duration on this watch. Basically, if you want to change how quickly the backlight will turn off after you stop using your watch. First, we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu or through any menu in that matter. Now, let's scroll through the menu, select the system option, and once you select it, press the start/stop button to enter. Now, scroll down through the menu, select backlight option and press the start button. And here we have during activity and not during activity. During activity is when you're using your watch and you're tracking or recording some kind of activity like running, cycling and stuff like that. And not during activity is basically everything else. So, let's select the during activity first, press start, scroll down, select the timeout, press start, and here we have the list of durations. And we have 8 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, minute, and no timeout. Select the option you would like to have, and then press start button to confirm. Now, let's press back button. Scroll down, select not during activity, press start, scroll down, select the timeout, press start, and again, select the duration, and press start to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the backlight timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.